Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy UFO, and in today's tutorial we are going to cover up a topic: how to rank a YouTube live stream in order to get more views or whatever thing you need to do on YouTube live stream, get more leads, clicks on your affiliate link, go to your affiliate betting or whatever. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how are we going to rank this live stream video. As you can see, I have a live stream on, so I will now show you all the steps and all the services you will need to use on the NLOSMM.com in order to rank a YouTube live stream on search engines. So if you follow those steps, you will most likely appear in the first top, like 5 results on your keyword if it's not that hard, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process behind it. So first things first is, of course, you need to start your live stream and grab a link. So here is our live stream. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the link for the live stream. So in order to rank, you will need views, likes, shares, and sometimes live chat comments. So let's write those down. So you will need, first things first, you will need views, likes. It is really important that you set likes to your YouTube live stream in order to get it ranked. Most of the people do not send likes at all, which is terribly wrong because YouTube loves engagement. So if your video or your live stream doesn't have engagement, it means it is totally fake and you won't rank. Then shares. Why? Because YouTube loves when it sees shares. When it sees shares, it means that that particular video is being shared on other platforms, which means you as a content creator are bringing people from other platforms back to YouTube, and YouTube awards you for that. So views, likes, shares, and if you're trying to rank for highly competitive niche, you will need live chat comments. So live chat comments is something you will need to get. So those are 4 crucial things in order to rank a YouTube live stream video. So let's grab the link, and now let's head over to NLOSMM.com, choose the platform YouTube, now choose the live viewers. Right now the best ones are the special, under special ones, and then those ranking live viewers. This can be changed, so if you're watching this video tutorial in like 1 month, open up a ticket on NLO SMM right here, ask which are the best YouTube live stream views for ranking right now, and they will reply to you. So right here we're going to use those. So as you can see, 30 minutes concurrent, 60 minutes. So you need to decide for how long do you plan to run your live stream. So I plan to run this for like 60 minutes because this is only the testing purposes, and depending on the niche. So if you're trying to rank a video in a highly competitive niche, I would say that getting like 1,000 viewers won't help it. So always go with the better numbers. So if you want to rank your YouTube live stream, you will need tons of views and concurrent views, just like NLO SMM have to offer for a really good price. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with 2,000 to see the results. If the results are not great and you're not ranked, you can simply increase the number of viewers, the number of likes, and everything. So I'm gonna order now. Now what we're gonna do next is to simply wait for the views to start rolling in. Sometimes it takes like 5 minutes, sometimes it takes like 10 minutes. You need to understand that NLO SMM is having thousands of orders per day. We are always battling with YouTube and every other social media platform, so having orders to start instantly can be a hard task to complete. So we are now waiting for our views to start, and after that, when they start, we will order likes, shares, and everything. So see you guys in a couple of seconds when the viewers start increasing. Okay guys, so right now the views just started kicking in. We got a little bit of a delay, but that's not a problem, because when you're starting a YouTube live stream, make sure that you prepare enough material for a couple of hours, because you can have delays in your views and everything. Sometimes they start instantly, as we said, and sometimes they take some time. So right now we are getting views, and those views are having awesome retention. So right now, as we said earlier, the next thing you need to do is to basically order likes and shares. As you can see, I'm getting views, but I don't have a single like, which is a red flag for YouTube. So grab your link, choose the platform YouTube, scroll down until you see likes, and always choose premium likes. They have pristine quality, and order like 200 of them. Now, with the same link, go to YouTube, then go and choose shares and choose these ones and order 1,000 of them. So if you plan to run your live stream for a couple of hours, I suggest to use shares. And I basically suggest to run your live stream for a couple of hours, sometimes days. If it stays ranked, it will bring you money, viewers, or whatever. If you're a genuine I don't know, gamer or YouTuber, then you will have natural shares, right? So as you can see, my likes are growing, and right now all you have to do basically is to check whether your ranks are up or down, if you're ranked or not. So there are few possibilities on why your video, why your YouTube live stream won't rank. And first, your YouTube channel has to be an old channel with tons of views on old videos. It is kind of a trick, as we mentioned earlier on our channel in the video on how to rank a YouTube video. We mentioned that old channels with a lot of views on old videos are tending to get better ranks. So same goes for the YouTube live stream. So if your YouTube live stream doesn't rank at first, you have two options. First option is to increase number of live viewers, order more likes and shares, and start engaging with people inside the chat, or just enable your chatbot for YouTube, or order YouTube live stream live chatters from our panel. The second option is to choose other channels. So some channels basically won't ever rank for any keyword, and that's the reality of it. So when it comes to ranking on YouTube, whether you're ranking YouTube live stream or video, it all goes down to testing. So testing is the key to get your YouTube live stream ranked. Also goes for the video. So we made a video on how to rank a YouTube video, and just click on the upper right corner right now, and you will see the link to our tutorial on that. In this tutorial, we show you the basic steps you need to cover in order to rank your YouTube live stream video. Now, let me share you some tips and tricks here on how to ensure that you have a quality YouTube live stream specifications at first in order to get your YouTube live stream ranked. So best channels to use are from 2008 until 2012. From our experience, we saw like 2008 2015, 2016 YouTube channels ranking with tons of views. When I said tons, it means like they have 15 million views on all video. Those channels are really expensive and hard to find, but if you find them, use them because they have awesome chance to get ranked. So best channel is like for a year old with around like from 800k plus views on old videos. Always name the files as your title. So when you're preparing your files to put on the OBS, always use your title as the file name in order to rank it, because YouTube reads those data information from the file name in order to gather information on what is your video about. So if your video is called like, I don't know, video.mp4, the YouTube won't know what's your video about. But if it has like the name, for example, slot machines Indonesia, and then your title on your YouTube live stream is also slot machines Indonesia, then YouTube know exactly what your live stream about and how to rank it. Now, always go with 20% likes. So 20% likes. So if you're ordering, for example, 2,000 views, you need to order 20% likes. So in that case, it is like 400 likes. If you order 10,000 views, go with better number. Same goes for the shares. So maximize the engagement you have on your YouTube live stream in order to have the perfect combination and in order to let YouTube know that your YouTube live stream is actually trending and something people want to watch. So with that being said, YouTube will start suggesting your YouTube live stream not only in the search engine option but rather in suggested, and when you're getting suggested views on your YouTube live stream, you'll get even more ranks, even more viewers, even more leads and everything. So channel is really important thing. Always use unique videos. So if you already used one video and looped it under OBS or whatever streaming platform you're using, streaming software, sorry, always use unique videos. So edit it a bit for the next time and everything, because if you're using the same video over and over again, you won't rank, because it is really important that you have a unique video in order to rank your YouTube live stream. And that's basically how it goes and how you can rank YouTube live stream in the YouTube search engine. So if you're searching how to get that YouTube SEO for YouTube live streams, I gotta say that you just watched the right video. You can use NLO SMM panel to get the best working and the best ranking YouTube live stream viewers. We have instant likes as you saw and everything, and also make sure that you open up a ticket on our panel right here when you come from this video to find out which are the best YouTube live stream views at that time, because it is changing daily and the viewers that are working today may not be working tomorrow. So make sure that you contact our support team in order to find out the best working YouTube live stream server for your live stream, and that's how you rank your YouTube live stream within seconds and with almost pretty much small amount of money. So we've spent like $15 to rank a YouTube live stream video for a highly competitive niche that has a potential to bring a lot more leads, subscribers, or whatever you have planned. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you stick around to NLOSMM.com panel. Make sure that you visit our Telegram channel to be part of the giveaways, to see news and new services added daily. We are running giveaways on our Telegram channel every week, so make sure that you're part of it in order to be lucky enough to get one of our amazing giveaways. See you guys in some other video. Peace.